Y'all, we are in Vietnam. This is our first night, and guess where we're about to go? On a food tour. Of course, we are. We want to know what the food tastes like. And guess how we doing the food tour, y'all? By motorbike. Our private motorbike is coming to pick us up and taking us to do a food tour. I feel good about it. Are y'all ready to try some new things? Okay, let's go see if our ride is downstairs. Y'all, it ended up raining, and it's still kind of raining out here, but guess what? The show must go on. We still about to go get something to eat. Now, I just need a poncho. I should have got a poncho earlier. Maybe they have one for me. I was worried about getting rained on, and I got a poncho. He brought me a poncho, y'all. Okay, y'all, we all ponchoed up. I feel like we're gonna be protected from the rain. Look at that. Now we're ready to eat, y'all. We protected from the rain. I even feel cooler now. It was a little windy out here. Now the wind can't even beat me. The rain or the wind can't even beat me. He has his jacket. I have a whole tarp. Perfect. Good for you. It's good. All right, safety first, y'all. We're ready. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding games. We're in rush hour traffic with bikes. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm on yours. Yeah, we made it to the first stop. He said we're eating a lot of food today, and you know my stomach is little, so I'm gonna try my best. Also, my Dorn helmet was slipping. I didn't even realize it because of this Dorn poncho. Y'all, this nice lady just gave me this to wipe my glasses off. How nice. Oh, our food is coming. The first one is sticky rice with chicken. Yeah. Looks good. So the crunchy things on top are fried garlic. He said try the mild one first. This is spicy sauce, but it's mild. Okay. And then I'm gonna try the one that has all the little spicy things in it. I don't even have anything to drink though, so oh my god, that might not be smart. Yes, no. Ooh, that sauce is good. I like that a lot. He said people be waiting in line to eat this. I can see why. I'm gonna try the spicy. He said it may turn me Asian, so it's only one way to find out. I'm just gonna put it over here on the little piece of rice. Just know I am afraid, but I'm gonna do it. It's hot. It's a sneaky hot, like ghost pepper. Oh, my ear. It's not bad though. I do like the other sauce better because it's like salty. This is jasmine tea. It's very floral. It came right on time though because the spice of it all is just like a flower smells. It tastes beautiful. The crunchy garlic is so good on this rice. Whoa. Y'all, I tried my best to finish, but I just know we have so much more food to go. This is the best I could do. I think I did a good job. There's just so much more food. I'm full. I'm already full. Anyway, on to the next one. We're not gonna do the poncho. We're just gonna ride without the poncho, y'all. It's just sprinkling. It's not too bad. Also, the more I stand outside, the more rain it is. I guess we'll see how wet I get by the time I get to the next place. And hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Got rained on in Vietnam. Check. We made it to the next place and we are drenched, y'all. We are drenched. Everybody is drenched. Well, the good thing is we have it in our memory. we'll always remember that we were on a motorbike and we got wet, drenched in Vietnam. Another story to tell. Y'all, look at this masterpiece. Wow. We're gonna roll that with rice paper. Here's mine, and I'm very happy he rolled it for me because I'm not crafty. Here's a sauce for it, and I think this is like a barbecue rib inside of it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I do taste the fishiness of it, but all of these things go good together. One of these leaves in here has a very strong fish taste. Y'all try it. It's a little fishy for me. I'm gonna make my own. This time we're not gonna use the strong minty leaf. All right, let's see if we can roll it. This is good as it's gonna get. I guess I'll try it without that leaf. It's like a lot better without the leaf. Once we have it all wrapped together, it's bralalo. If I'm saying that right. We're about to go take a pit stop to the oldest apartment. I think that's what he said. And then we're gonna eat seafood. I don't like seafood, but I'm gonna try all of it. I'm gonna try all of it, y'all. I'm gonna do it for y'all. We're out to the next stop, y'all. I took my glasses off because there's no point. I'm not driving.
Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, baby, you can make it. I promise.
Okay, y'all, we made it over here. I don't know where here is yet, but I'm gonna show you when I find out. It's just wet. I can't even put my glasses back on, y'all, because there's no reason. There's no reason at all. I'm just gonna have to see a little blurry. Okay, we're going to the oldest apartment. Let's go.
Broken down. All that you gotta do is keep your head high.
This is the oldest apartment. He was telling us that they have to walk their bikes up the stairs, but there's like a little ramp in the middle that you can take to make it easier to take the bike to your house, but it goes inside the house.
When I'm finding yes, when I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby.
So we made it to another restaurant. We're about to find a table, but this is what it looks like inside.
Yours. Come and get it, come and get it.
Setting our table. Nothing, just in Vietnam. On a food tour with the rain, that's all. Just watching the rain. Do y'all hear it? I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Well, I know one thing. That rain is taking over the day. I know y'all didn't see me at the other restaurant, but I was struggling really, really hard with those orange chopsticks. And it looks like we're gonna struggle again. Everybody in my family knows how to use them but me. Why? Why did they leave me out when people were teaching? Who taught y'all how to do it, mama? Not me slicking my hair down before I left thinking that it was gonna work out. Girl, I didn't know it was raining until I got to the bottom. When you're at the very top, it doesn't look like much. It looked like it did rain, but it don't look like it was actively raining.
Like calamansi, sweets, this sauce with some garlic. A spicy dip right here.
And you mix it.
Put it on the charcoal, and we put some green onion and peanuts.
Yeah, I do think. Yeah, that's good. So I'm about to try scallops. I'm pretty sure I have tried it before. I don't know if I liked it. It was a big scallop that I tried. So let's try it again. Nothing to it but to do it right. That is so good. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I like it. You know why I like it? Because it's not really fishy. It's like, it's good. I'll have another. I'm going in for a second. I love it. That's really good.
And like this, scoop the broth up, so change the milk.
All right, I'm gonna try it. I was trying to get some broth. I don't know if I did or not, but 1, 2, 3, go. I like the other one. It's like lemony though. It's like a lemon taste. It's just chewy. Next, we're going to the flower market so we can get some photos and stuff. Yeah. I love going to the flower market. It's so pretty. Oh, let me hurry. I got to put the poncho on. I'll meet y'all over there.
Hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby. I'm all yours.
We made it over here to the flower shop area. I love coming to the flower market. I wonder how much these are. She said they're really, really cheap. This used to be the bus station. Now it's the flower market. How cool is that? She said they sell them wholesale. It's really, really cheap. And I love me a nice, beautiful, cheap flower. Oh, this is so pretty. Really, I'll take any bouquet. They're all pretty. Y'all, the flower market is open 24/7. Somebody's always here to sell flowers. How crazy is that? They have lots of street food. I gotta put y'all up. Y'all getting wet. Hopefully y'all seen some street food. I want to go back through there when it's not raining. I want to try some street food. But we're about to go try some food in a minute. We're just waiting for our motorcycle to get here and we're out of here. But it is so wet, y'all. Like, it's so wet. I was like, I can handle it, but like an hour, 4 hours of wet is just like, when is the rain gonna stop? I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what we're gonna eat next. I do know we have 2 desserts. I feel like we're eating dessert next. But those darn scallops were so good. When I've had scallops before, it was just too much. I guess it was too big and the bite was too big and I didn't like the texture. But this time it was so freaking good. I enjoyed it. I could have ate all the scallops on that plate. That's how good it was. So I don't know if I'll be eating scallops again because it's not gonna taste like that. It's not gonna taste like it's from Vietnam. But I do know one thing. I enjoyed it and I'm happy that I'm here. I'll meet y'all at the next restaurant. We have a beef stew and we have dessert. Our last 2 and then we're out the rain.
I'm a bit too much, but
We made it over here to the next place. I don't know if this is dessert or the beef broth, but he said we have 2 more places, so it might be the broth because I see them cooking some stuff over there. I don't know if we're having dessert now or last, but I'm excited. And you know what? One thing I can say is when we go eat, we dry up really quickly sitting down and eating. I really like that we get these big old towels to wipe our hands on. They're so thick. That's helpful. We're having beef stew, I can see. I can see on the napkin that we're having beef stew. This took me forever to get prepared. Let me just eat it with the bread. The broth's good. Our dessert is flan or flan. I don't know how to say it, but it's with coffee. Coffee is in it. I'll take a cup of that coffee. That coffee is delicious. It's giving me the iced coffee vibe. I want some of that in the morning. This is our last dish for the tour, y'all. I feel good about it. Y'all, I know I look a mess. I've been looking a mess this whole time. It's raining out here. Anyway, even though I did not like all of the food choices, I love the food tour. I love that I was able to try new things. Like, girl, look at you trying new things in Vietnam. Check. Look at us getting stuff off our list. I'm just so excited that I'm here. Let's go back to the room and talk about it. Y'all, we made it back to the room. That tour, the food was good. It's probably just me. It's a lot of things that I'm picky about, y'all. The food was good, especially if you like seafood, if you like fishy taste, you'll love it. You'll love that tour. I think that tour, it was probably like $40 or something like that. So not bad for like 5 different places. And we had a little dessert at the end. So I feel good about it. Our tour guide was really nice. He brought me a poncho. Like, yeah, it did rain. So that did kind of rain on our parade. But you know what? We went on a food tour in Vietnam and it rained on us. So check, we have a story to tell. We have memories. We'll always remember that. I had a good time. What I was really trying to do, y'all, because this is my first day here in Vietnam, is have something that I could do at night instead of just hanging out in my room. Because I was like, girl, you need to utilize all these days you're here. You're only here for 5 days. The 5th day, you can rest. But the 4 days, you need to be doing something every day. And we will. But thank y'all so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for coming on the food tour with me. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all. And don't forget to come back tomorrow, y'all, because we'll still be in Vietnam. What else will we get into?
Leaving the house sometime before 3. Spark loaded me
We
up.
have to have 1 dirt road per day at least.
Dirt
We
road
have to.
streets. She gon' get 7 minutes. Find a deal on a cruise. Take a solo trip to Bali. She'll show you that too. Like. Share. Got the good job.
I'll meet y'all
I'll
over there.
meet you over there.